Hello children, today we will start English Reader, and in English Reader we will start new chapter, chapter 5. In this chapter we will know about wonderful creature called Rikki Tikki Tavi. So Rikki Tikki Tavi is the short story about the adventure of a valiant young mongoose. You know what is the meaning of valiant? Valiant means brave. So this is the story about a brave young mongoose which is separated from its parents in a summer flood. So now read on. Now we will read and know this story. First, let us know who wrote this story. So this story in the Jungle Book, which is written by Rudyard Kipling. So now we will know a small description about Rudyard Kipling. Now all of you take a look. Rudyard Kipling was born in 1865 and educated in England. He was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. The Jungle Book, Keen and The Man Who Would Be King are some of his well-known works. He received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1907. So children, now we will read the story and know what happened to this mongoose when he separated from his family in a summer flood. So now let's start. Rikki Tikki Tavi was a mongoose. So Rikki Tikki Tavi was a young mongoose, rather like cat in his fur and tail, but quite like weasel in his head and his habits. His eyes and the end of his restless nose were pink. So he was a mongoose, but through fur and his tail he looked like cat, and his head and habits he looked like weasel. So weasel and mongoose are similar. Now underline this word restless. So his eyes, what is the meaning of restless? Restless means uneasy. So his eyes look like uneasy and his nose were pink. Now he could scratch himself anywhere he pleased with any leg, front or back, that he chose to use. Now underline this word scratch. Scratch means to relieve itching by rubbing. So with the help of leg, he could able to scratch anywhere, either front or back. He could fluff off his tail till it looked like a bottle brush. So what is the meaning of fluff off? First all of you underline this word fluff off. So what is the meaning of fluff off? Now look here. Fluff off means to shake something. So he could shake his tail like a bottle brush. Have you seen bottle brush? Now I am showing the pic of bottle brush. So when he shake his tail, it look like bottle brush, like this. Okay? And his war cry as he scuttled through the long grass was rikki tikki 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 chick. So first underline this word scuttle. So what is the meaning of scuttle? To run quickly. Okay, so when he ran quickly through the grass, it looked like all are coming behind him and the sound like rikki tikki 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 chick. Okay, next line. One day, a high summer flood washed him out of the burrow where he lived with his father and mother. So one day what happened? A great summer flood washed him, removed him away from the place where burrow he lived with his parents, father and mother. So he carried him kicking and clucking. So kicking and clucking means how we kick the ball forcefully. So when he forcefully he come down from the burrow, and where he come? Down a roadside ditch. Now underline this word ditch. You know what is the meaning of ditch? A ditch means a small hole with water, or you can say that canal. So he come down a roadside ditch. Now he found a little wisp of grass. You know what is the meaning of wisp of grass? A small thin grass. So with the help of that little grass floating there. So floating means to move on a surface of a water. So with the help of that grass, he moved on a surface of water and clung to it. Clung means hang, and hang to it till he lost his senses. So till he is breathing, he clung to that wisp of grass and float. So when he revived, he was lying in the hot sun of the middle of garden path. So when he revived means when he back to life, safe started breathing. So when he feels he was safe, he was lying in the sun, hot sun, where? In the middle of garden path. Very draggle indeed. So first you underline this word draggle. So what is the meaning of draggled? Wet. Okay. So very wet indeed. And a small boy was saying, you know what is the name of that small boy? Teddy. Okay. So small boy Teddy was saying, here's a dead mongoose. Let's have a funeral. So Teddy said that mongoose is dead. So children, do you know what is the meaning of funeral? So funeral means when the body is dead, we take the body for burning. So now Teddy, who believed him to be dead, and he said that let's take his body for burning. Then next line, come to next line. So then no, said his mother. Whose mother? Teddy mother. So Teddy mother said, no, let's take him in and dry him. His mother said, first let's take him in a dry place because he is totally wet. So first we will dry him and then we will know he is really dead or not. Perhaps he isn't really dead because he is not dead. They took him into the house. Now they took him into the house. A big man picked him up between his finger and thumb. So how he picked him? Big man. So he is Teddy's father. So Teddy's father picked him between his finger. So half choked means he is not breathing properly, or you can say that he lost his senses. So they wrapped him in cotton wool. So they wrapped in a cotton wool and warmed him over a little fire. So when they wrapped and keep him over a little fire, and he opened his eyes and sneezed. So when they warmed him over a little fire, immediately he opened his eyes and sneezed. So now, said the big man, he was an English who had just moved into the bungalow. Don't frighten him, and we will see what he will do. Now, who is big man? He was an Englishman who moved into the bungalow. So he was Teddy's father. So he told him, don't frighten. So frighten means scared. So don't scare Teddy. We will see what he will do. So now we will see that now what he will do. So now next line, it is the hardest thing in the world to frighten a mongoose because he is eaten up from nose to tail with curiosity. Underline this word curiosity. What is the meaning of curiosity? So curiosity means he wanted to know everything. So the motto of all the mongoose family is run and find out. Rikki Tikki was a true mongoose. He ran all around the table and jumped on the small boy's shoulder. So it is impossible for the mongoose to stay frightened for any length of time because Rikki Tikki Tavi is brave because mongoose are too curious to be scared, and he knew that all a grown mongoose in life was to fright and eat. So now today we will do up to here only. So now let's know the story. So this is the story about a young mongoose which is washed away from his parents in a flood and found by a young boy who believes him to be dead. So the boy, whose name is Teddy, take him back to his parents where Rikki Tikki will be revived. A family newly moved into a home in India. They take him to their houses and dry him out, and he becomes a pet for the child Teddy. So now in next video I will explain half of the story. Okay, so now what you do in your homework, you read this chapter up to where I taught, and then what you write it in your copy, you write these hard words which I have underlined. Now see carefully. None of you see carefully. I have underlined some hard words. So you write these hard words in your English reader notebook up to where I taught till shoulder. Here also few hard words. So you write up to here only. In next video I will explain half of the chapter and give you more hard words. Till that, thank you.